me in that Rari, took me out to a party, got me lit up Bacardi, but I know he ain't no good for me.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl dilylah.ferrafi, and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a girl talk on getting over someone you loved. Now, everyone goes through the phase of finding someone they like or they love. Everybody that's in school, high school, it doesn't even matter of an age. So in the past, I have fell in love with like 2 people in my life, you know. Besides my family and everyone, I have had 2 people that I really love, 2 guys. And I realized as I got older that there are steps to this. Like, for you to get over someone you love, it's pretty hard, isn't it? Comment down below if it's pretty hard for you to get over someone you love. But if you follow these few things that I've done, I promise you, you'll end up feeling better about yourself. You'll move on quicker, and life will just be even better. So the 5 things I have written down. Number 1 I have is delete all ties, guys. Delete all ties, delete the messages, the phone number, block that phone number if you have to. Delete the social media, block the social media. Now, I have learned, like, don't block the social media because you want him to see your growth. You want him to be like, you know, jealous and like see what he missed out on. So maybe don't block the social media, but delete him. Make sure that he's aware, he's sorted, like, you know, block then unblock, so both of you guys could like delete each other on social media. Anything that held you guys together, let it go. Okay? That's the best thing to do. Like, it's gonna feel like a fresh breath of air. It's just gonna release this weight on you, because if you see him down your timeline, it's gonna be like harder to let go. Like, how can I let go of something so fine and that I was in love with, because I keep seeing his pictures everywhere, people repost them. Anybody that has ties to him, delete his friends, his mother, all of that, delete it. Anything that held you guys together, let it go, move on, sis. You're trying to get your life back together. You're not trying to make his life better. You're trying to make your life better, okay? So delete all ties. Another thing I have written down is get rid of any material things that he have gotten for you. Those teddy bears, those flowers you was growing, the gifts, all of the material things that he got in you, get rid of it. Maybe you got to get rid of that wig he bought you feel me? But maybe not, because, you know, a wig is a wig at the end of the day, but it'll still remind you of him, and that's what you don't want. You don't want anything that will remind you of your past, your ex, or anything like that. You want to be sane. You want to be like a new virgin, you know, be a new person. So delete everything, throw it away, sis. Throw the whole person away, and also throw the garbage away that he got you, because obviously that person is garbage to you now. So make sure you get rid of the gifts and any material items that he got for you, things that just remind you of him. Now, the next big thing I have is to level up. Let's not forget that one, okay? Like, if you break up with someone, that person is gonna think that they left you where you at, okay? They're gonna think that they left you exactly where you were, and you're not gonna grow. But that's gonna be a twist. You're gonna change that around, okay? You're going to level up. You're gonna buy new things for yourself. You're gonna go get your hair done. You're gonna get a bunch of makeup if you like makeup. You're gonna get a new wardrobe because you're trying to level up. And not only that, you're gonna pretty much go shopping. Shopping, I say go buy a new wardrobe, is because it's very therapeutic. So buying new things and make you feel better, and just being around like the shopping area just make you get your mind off of him. So that would be a great thing to do. Gift yourself. Buy yourself that new watch. Buy yourself a nice little chain, nice little earrings. Like, it'll get your mind off of it, because you're going to be thinking about that expensive thing that you bought, you know? It don't have to be expensive either, but just gift yourself with beautiful, nice things, and trust me, it will work. Buy yourself some lingerie, ladies. Buy yourself some lingerie. Put that lingerie on, take a shower, go to bed feeling good, and then, you know, you'll feel better about yourself. You'll realize how much more you're worth and what he is missing out on, period. You know, I know that they are just material things and they lose value, but it will be worth it. For the moment, of course, until you find someone else that is going to appreciate those things and appreciate you, the beautiful person that you are. The next thing I have written down is to go out on a few dates, okay? Going out on a few dates will get your mind off of this person. Don't I would say a few dates might be like too much, because what if you fall into the wrong hands because you're moving too fast? But slow your roll there. Just take your time, choose the guys wisely, go on a few dates, and if you don't feel like you need to move on too quickly, just go on a few dates with your homegirls, go on a few dates with your family, take your mom out, take your grandma out, you know, take some people out just to make you feel refreshing and just make you rejuvenate your whole life. And you've been with this person for so long, you need to get your mind off of him. So going on a few dates won't hurt you, you know. Just make sure you don't fall in like too quick with the next person, because then your life will be in shambles and you'll just be all over the place. You want to be steady. You want to find out some guys or maybe some girls, you take them out, or they, you know, just start conversating more around, and just to get your mind off of that person and get your mind on new people. The next thing I have written down is find new hobbies. Okay, now new hobbies, things you never did, things that you did with him need to stay in the past. Now things you never done, like hiking, like going for long walks in the morning, going to the gym, drawing, just find new habits that are beautiful and that will get your mind off of him. It will help you get over that person that you love, I promise you. Start drawing a little, start doing a new thing like hair or makeup for other people, and all of a sudden you're gonna find this new passion of something else instead of that person. Because some people, when they're in relationships, they're like so drawn and like so into that person that they forget that they have all these nice things about them, you know. Because when you're in a relationship, everything is, you know, together. But when you're single, you realize all these things that you can do and like you're good at, unless you meet the right person that can, you know, get these things out of you and push you to be better and have few things going for you. And that's the next thing I wrote. It's like, start a new business, you know. Maybe you can start a lash business or start a new basketball team or something. Like, get your mind off of that person, get over that person, find something that you love, stick to it and grow. And that person will be looking like, damn, I didn't know they know how to do that. I didn't know she could be that talented. Like, I didn't know he was that talented. I want him back. Like, you know. But you'll start developing new people, developing new habits in you, and start meeting new people, and just next thing you know, you're just, your mind is hectic with work and you getting your money up. You ain't got no time to worry about no dude or girl that been doing you wrong. You're just like missing out on a whole new world that you could have been like great at, you know. So just get your mind off of him by finding new hobbies, new businesses. It's 2020. It's time to level up anyways. So if you with a dude that you love, start finding businesses that you guys can open up together, or start doing great things for yourself so you can be a greater person anyways. That's all I really have down today, guys. Main thing is to get your money up no matter what, you know. Get your money up. That's my main thing. Get my money up, because I don't want to be dependent on anybody at the end of the day. I want to get my own money and just level up. That's my main thing, and I love that one, is level up, because at the end of the day, we all got to grow, and it starts with you. It doesn't start with anyone else. It starts with you. It starts with your brain. So get over anybody or anything that is holding you back from getting the better you. So I hope this video was very informative and helped you to get over that person that you love or you thought you loved, you know, and to move on with life and just flourish. Okay, so you guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below how you got over your loved one, or however ways you done it. Let me know, because maybe you can help me out to get over some people that I thought I loved, you know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. It's like for some reason you guys are not subscribing, but y'all watch it. I'm telling you, I got a lot of more content coming your way. So please, just help us out. Help me get to I believe I'm at under 1,000, so help me get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video. I will see you in my next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.